Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save filters on TikTok. It's pretty simple and easy. Open up TikTok app. Then we should tap on the plus button in very bottom here. Then select effects at the bottom left here. Now we should select any of, as you can see, some effects, for example this one, and you want to use these effects every time. You should tap on this bookmark here to add a favorite these effects. Then when you open effects, you can tap on bookmark favorite effects and you can fast find these effects. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.